yo yo yo, ay 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 ay, oh yo yo yo, ay 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 ay,
Yeba.
oh yo yo yo,
Voila.
ay 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 ay.
A cikin wannan gashi.
Ni ba ni tsere, but ina da weather. Ban zuwa Owerri, but I like the weather. Miss Mata than Tom and Jerry. Girl, you too fine, Kevin Kimari. Wind your body down, let's up my money. I can't heavy like David the money. I'm a sharp guy, by career. Killing every beat by Senya. Hit them like Namalaya. Them shot the face with the warrior. Yan bagin ciki, yan bagin ciki. Ban harka da yan bagin ciki. Sai dai yan farin ciki. Yan bagin ciki. Yan bakin ciki, ban harka da yan bakin ciki, sai dai yan farin ciki. Akwaba,
Ay 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 ay,
akwaba,
oh yo yo yo,
shaku shaku,
ay 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 ay,
shaku shaku,
oh yo yo yo, ay 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 ay, oh yo yo yo, ay 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 ay.
melody melody, malan kiɗan nan da energy, ciwo kake ji ga remedy, oson di OND. Melody melody, malan kiɗan nan da energy, ciwo kake.
To, ita dai duniya faɗi gare ta, abincin wani kuma guban wani ne. Waɗannan abincin wallahi dai wani in ya ci mutuwa zai. Abincin 'yan indiya ne turab ya samu lallai sai mun ci.
I invite all of you for the dinner.
To bari mu gani. Idan dai kun ji an ce kun ga rubuta harafi to na ci abincin nan na wuce.
Take one piece of bread.
Okay. Kun gani ko? Hello Nigerians, hello Arewa. In case you don't know me, my name is Adam Ezango aka GMK, the king in the north. Guess what? I just met one of the biggest Pakistani singer, Mr. Turab Hussain. Guess what? We are going to collaborate very soon.
Inshallah.
Yes. Mr. Turab, say hello to Nigerians.
Hello, Nigerian fans. Mr. Adam Ezango. He's a wonderful personality. He's just like my brother. And soon, you guys gonna watch us together
Inshallah.
on the TV. Inshallah.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
Okay, let me teach you how to greet my people in my own language.
Okay.
Say, I know your language.
Yeah,
Namaskar.
Yeah. Namaskar.
Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz. Oh, that's great, man.
Okay, in my own language, you said Sanunku.
Sanung.
My people in my own language.
Okay.
Say, I know your language.
Yeah.
Namaskar.
Yeah. Namaskar.
Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz. Oh, that's great, man.
Okay, in my own language, you said San.